Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to continue the first chapter, 3 questions from class 7th. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So, here I am going to start. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit saw the king, but God continued digging the ground. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. Hermit was quite old and weak, and for a long time, he had been working hard in the field, and that was why, I should say, consequently, he breathed very heavily. The king went up to the hermit and said, I have come to you, wise hermit, to ask you to answer 3 questions. So, as soon as the king reaches the hermit, the king says that means I have come here, I have come to you to ask the answers of my 3 questions. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? Who are the people I need the most? And what affairs are the most important? So here he has revealed all 3 questions. The first is the king wanted to know the right time for doing something. Second, he wanted to know the right people, the most important people. And the third thing, he wanted to know that what is the most important task. The hermit listened to the king, but did not speak. He went on digging. You are tired, said the king. Let me take this spade and work in your place. The hermit listened to the king, whatever the king said. But the hermit did not speak anything. He did not answer him. He continued in digging the ground. The king pleaded to the hermit, you are tired, you must take rest. Let me do work in place of you. Thanks, said the hermit, giving the king his spade. Then he sat down on the ground. So after some time, the hermit handed over his spade to the king and paid thanks to the king and sat down on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. After some time, the king had dug 2 beds. Bed in the sense a plot of ground in which plants grow up. He stopped and repeated his questions. After some time, when he had dug 2 plot of ground, he repeated his questions. The hermit gave no answer but stood up, stretching out his hand for the spade and said, now you rest, let me work. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. But this time as well, the hermit did not answer him of his questions. He stood up and demanded his spade back, but the king did not give him the spade and continued in digging the ground. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and I repeat this paragraph. 1 hour passed, then another. The sun went down behind the trees, and at last the king stuck the spade into the ground and said, I came to you, wise men, for an answer to my questions. If you can give me no answer, tell me so, and I will return home. Means 1 hour passed, then the another, and it was sunset time. Finally, the king stuck the spade into the ground and said to the wise hermit that I have come here to ask my questions. I have come here to get the answers of my questions, and if you really do not know, so please let me know, means I would get back to my palace. Here comes someone running, said the hermit. So just then the hermit told the king that there was someone running towards them. The king turned around and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach. So means at a moment the king turned around and saw a person, bearded person, coming towards them, and his hands were pressed against his stomach, from which blood was flowing. Means there would have been a wound in his stomach. From there the blood was coming out. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. As soon as that bearded person arrived the king, he at once got fainted and fell to the ground. The king and the hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. Then that moment the king and the hermit removed the man's clothing, whatever he was wearing, and they found a very large wound in his stomach. So my dear students, that is enough for the day. The rest part of this chapter will be taken next time. I hope you must have understood. Thank you very much.